In 1867, Christopher Latham Scholes created something revolutionary, the first practical typewriter, but it wasn't an instant hit. The early typewriter looked like a hybrid between a piano and a sewing machine, complete with a foot pedal. By 1878, the QWERTY keyboard emerged, a layout we still use today. Remington, the gun manufacturer, mass-produced these machines, transforming offices forever. The typewriter democratized writing, created new jobs for women, and dominated business for a century. From Mark Twain's manuscripts to the Pentagon's classified documents, these mechanical marvels shaped our world, until the digital revolution made them obsolete. Yet their legacy lives on in every keyboard you touch.